enye into engifuna ukuyifundisa abantu bakithi empilweni nje general beside imithi yokuthandaza inyanga what kunezinto eziyimicabango kithi neziyimdlinzi. Ezinye izinto you never know it until you experience it. Yazi into enomcabango kuphela ongakaze uyibone practically noma yenzeka physically empilweni yakho, kunzima ukuyi-understand leyo nto. Njengokudlinzela abantu nje, uthola ukuthi udlinzela abantu uthi kuwukuthi you will be surprised ngelinye ilanga uthola ukuthi labantu obadlinzelayo ukuthi bacabangela into embi, bakwenza izinto ezimbi. Mhla usenkingeni uthi nawo vele ngiyazi usibani bani, one day you'll be surprised to find out ukuthi labo bantu ibona abazokusiza wena ububadlinzela ngenye indaba, kanti akwazi ukubona. Ngcono kwesinye isikhathi umdlinzo wakho ubeke on hold until you see what's going on or until you experience that thing. Angazi noma ngizwakale kahle yini.